Hello everyone, welcome back to Infigyan. In this video, we are having one very interesting question from algebra. We are going to solve Hexic equation. Equation is x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3 times x plus 5 times x plus 6 times x plus 7 equal to 14. So let's get started by considering our substitution straight away. Let's consider x plus 4 equal to m. So we can write x plus 1 will be m minus 3. X plus 2 will be m minus 2. X plus 3 we can write m minus 1. And x plus 5 we will write m plus 1. X plus 6 will be m plus 2. And x plus 7 we will consider m plus 3. So we can write our equation in m. Equation will be m minus 3 times m minus 2 times m minus 1 times m plus 1 times m plus 2 times m plus 3 equal to 14. Now we know the identity a minus b times a plus b. We can write a square minus b square. So we will consider first and last bracket all together, second and second last bracket all together, and the middle two brackets will multiply all together. So we will get m minus 3 times m plus 3. Then we will write m minus 2 times m plus 2. Then we are having m minus 1 times m plus 1 equal to 14. So we can write here m square minus 9. This will give us m square minus 4, and this bracket product will be m square minus 1 equal to 14. So our equation will become m square minus 1 times m square minus 4 times m square minus 9 equal to 14. Let's use another substitution. We can write m square equal to suppose y. So our equation will be cubic now. Y minus 1 times y minus 4 times y minus 9 equal to 14. Now we have to multiply y minus 1, and if I will multiply these two brackets, I will get y square minus 9 minus 4 minus 13y plus 4 9s are 36 equal to 14. Now we will multiply LHS brackets. So we will get, if I will write cubic equation directly, y cube minus 14y square plus 49y minus 50 equal to 0. Now this is one cubic equation. If I will find factors of 50, then we can write plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 5, plus minus 10, plus minus 25, and plus minus 50. If I will plug in y equal to 1, will it satisfy? 1 minus 14 plus 49 minus 50, no, it won't. If I will plug in y equal to minus 1, so minus 1 minus 14 minus 49 minus 50, again it won't. Now if I will plug y equal to 2, So we will get 8 minus 14 times 456 plus 49 times 298 minus 50. So yes, this time it is correct. 106 minus 106 equal to 0. So I can say y equal to 2 is our base solution. Now I will use remainder theorem. So let me write our equation y cube minus 14y square plus 49y minus 50 equal to 0. Y equal to 2 is our base solution. So I can write y minus 2 will be one factor, is a factor of this cubic equation. So I can write our cubic as y cube can be written y square times y, and that y I will replace with our factor y minus 2. Now y square times y is y cube. Then we have minus 2y square extra. So I need to compensate that minus 2y square by adding 2y square. Then we have minus 14y square plus 49y minus 50 equal to 0. Or we can write y square y minus 2, 2 minus 14 minus 12, y square. Again I will write y square as y times y minus 2. Now extra is 24y. So we have to compensate that. So minus 24y. So it will be left with 25y minus 50 equal to 0. Y square y minus 2 minus 12y y minus 2, 25 is common, y minus 2 equal to 0. So we have y minus 2 overall common. Y square minus 12y plus 25 equal to 0. So from here we can conclude either y minus 2 will be 0 or quadratic equation y square minus 12y plus 25 equal to 0. Let's solve both the equations one by one. So from first equation y minus 2 equal to 0, we will get y equal to 2. Now the turn of quadratic equation y square minus 12y plus 25 equal to 0. Let's use quadratic formula. Y is minus b plus minus the square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Here a is coefficient of y square 1, b is coefficient of y negative 12, and c is constant 25. So we will get 12 plus minus the square root of minus 12 square is 144 minus 4 times 1 times 25, so minus 100 over 2 times 1 2. So I can write 12 plus minus is square root 44 over 2, which will be equal to 12 plus minus 2 root 11 over 2, or we can write 6 plus minus is square root 11. So we have 3 y values as our equation was cubic. Let me write here y equal to 2 and y equal to 6 plus minus root 11. So I will write y equal to 2, 6 plus minus square root 11. Now y was our substitution. This was m square. So I will write m square equal to 2, 6 plus minus square root 11. Now we will consider square root both sides. So we will get m equal to plus minus square root 2 plus minus square root 6 plus minus square root 11. Now m was also our substitution. If I will write, or we can calculate or simplify this square root also. So let's simplify this. Square root 6 plus minus square root 11, which can be written as square root of 2 times 6, so 12, plus minus 2 times root 11 over 2. We multiplied our numerator and denominator by 2. Now we can write 11 plus 1 as 12. So I can write square root 11 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square root 11. And then in the denominator it is 2. Now in numerator we are getting one perfect square. So I can write square root 11 plus 1 whole square. And denominator is square root 2. So square root and square we can cancel. In this place we can write square root 11 plus minus 1 over square root 2. So here I can write square root 11 plus minus 1 over square root 2. So I can write m equal to plus minus root 2 plus minus square root 11 plus minus 1 over square root 2. Now m was also our substitution x plus 4. So I will write here x plus 4 equal to plus minus root 2 and plus minus root 11 plus minus 1 over root 2. Now we will subtract 4 from both sides. So I will write here x will be equal to minus 4 plus minus square root 2 and minus 4 plus minus square root 11 plus minus 1 over square root 2 in the bracket. So here we are having 6 solutions. 4 solutions from here and 2 solutions are here. Let me write our final answer. X equal to negative 4 plus minus root 2, 2 solutions, and the remaining 4 solutions will be minus 4 plus minus square root 11 plus minus 1 over square root 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.